Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics quickly. Ensure your system volume is not muted and the correct output device is selected in sound settings. Once confirmed, download the latest manufacturer audio driver for your laptop model and save it to the desktop. You do this before uninstalling anything so you have the exact replacement ready. This prevents fallback to generic drivers. Now, open Device Manager and locate the audio adapter. Prepare to uninstall its driver cleanly and reboot after removal. You uninstall the audio device from Device Manager, and if available, choose to delete the driver software so Windows won't reuse a corrupt package. Once removed, restart the Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder services. This clears the audio stack. Next, run the downloaded driver installer as administrator, follow prompts, accept reboots, and let the installer replace firmware components if offered. After the final reboot, confirm the new driver is active in Device Manager and test sound with system sounds and a short media file. You now perform hardware verification. Plug known good headphones and play a short audio file to isolate internal speaker issues. If only one output fails, inspect the headphone jack for debris and gently clear it or use compressed air. This fixes many physical contact problems. If audio remains absent after driver and service work, install a USB audio adapter to confirm whether the onboard codec is faulty. If the USB adapter works, you found the issue. Plan board repair or use the adapter as a reliable, immediate workaround.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.